Hello, teacher. My name is Edwin Vallejo. If you are going to have a job interview, you have to follow these suggestions. You should create your CV. You should be confident and try to answer all the questions. You have to wear formal clothes. You must be punctual to your interview. You should not ask for personal questions to your interviewer. You must know the interviewer's name. You should be prepared for personal questions. You must tell the truth. You have to check your grammar in your CV. You should not ask for the salary. You have to know about the company you are going to apply for the position. You should practice common questions. Thank you.